This is probably professionally the most difficult decision I've ever had to make.
In their final plea to get the trial relocated, Bryan Kohberger's defense made their argument clear.
Mr. Kohberger has a constitutional right to a fair trial by an impartial jury. And to guarantee that, this court must change venue.
A judge has entered a not guilty plea on behalf of Kohberger, the accused killer of 4 University of Idaho students, who sat in the courtroom on Thursday as his lawyers called for the trial to be moved from Latah County, where the killings took place, to Boise in Ada County, where the population and potential jury pool is more than 10 times larger. The defense called multiple expert witnesses who say news stories about the case oversaturated the community.
Do you mean that when we walk into trial and the room's full of potential jurors, there's going to be a great majority of them that before we sit down are going to have a feeling of bias against Mr. Kohberger? Yeah, I do.
Defense witnesses also testified statements from local law enforcement may have a stronger sway on Moscow residents and convince them of Kohberger's guilt, pointing to our interview with then Police Chief James Fry after the defendant's arrest. Are there any other suspects, or are you 100% certain this is your guy?
I am certain this is our guy.
No doubts?
No doubts.
But prosecutors pushed back.
The fact is, Your Honor, this case has media coverage everywhere,
saying they are confident they can find and seat an impartial jury.
Latah County might be close-knit, but it is not a tiny little community. It is not so tiny that we could not summons in a jury of 1,800.
That argument echoed by the victims' families, who say they also want the trial to stay in Moscow.
I trust this community to be fair and to go in there without their minds made up, and I don't think that's asking them too much.
Now the fate of the case in the hands of the judge as pressure mounts for the trial to move forward. And guys, we are still awaiting a decision from the judge. As you heard, he called this the most difficult decision he's ever had to make, adding he has some, quote, really important things to think about from both sides. Guys.
All right, Dana, thank you so much. So Laura Jarrett is here. Let's put your senior legal correspondent.
My day job.
Yeah, put that hat on for a moment as we take a closer look, because as we sat here yesterday, you predicted that ultimately the judge would probably decide to move this venue, to change venue.
He's clearly worried about it. I mean, the most difficult decision he's ever had to make.
Did you hear anything yesterday that changed your theory?
No.
Okay.
It went on for a long time. They were there all day. But there are ways to address this, right? Every day in courtrooms across America, you ferret out whether juries can be fair. And this case really should be no different. You can do it through surveys. Yep. You do it through what's known as voir dire, when you actually question the jurors about their biases, about their social media posts. And you can also do it by keeping the jury anonymous, right? We see that all the time, especially in high-profile cases. And one of the experts yesterday was trying to say, look, you know, the jurors might want to find him guilty because they feel the pressure. Keep the jury anonymous. There's a way to do this if the judge wants to keep the trial in Moscow.
I mean, so ultimately, did he indicate how or when he was going to rule on this?
No. He says he's going to do it in writing. I was wondering if he was going to just do it right then and there to just give him a little bit of finality, but I think probably in the coming weeks. Yeah.
Or in the coming weeks.
Yeah, knowing how this has gone so far. Yeah.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.